Okay, so this video basically is we try to solve this question called the delete node in linked list. Basically, you have a linked list, and you have a node you want to delete. But the problem is you don't have the head. Okay, so you only have the node. Okay, and to solve it, basically, so for example, if this is 4519, you given 5. To solve it, you need to somehow delete this. You need to somehow only manage it, this node. So you only have this value and the next. Okay, and you need to, and finally you don't return anything but change your original list into 419. Okay. Okay, so let me show you. And to solve it, very easy. That you just need that node value to be no next value, and the no next to be no next. Okay. Okay, so it's very strange that why this is correct. So let me draw something. Suppose this is the linked list, and this is 5. Suppose you are given that this node you need to delete. So that means finally you should have a linked list like this, and this should be 5, right? This should be 5 because this node is deleted. Okay, so the first thing is we just set a no value to be no next value. So first we just change this to be 5. Okay, and we just change this node to be the next value. So okay, and then we let no next to be no next. So the no next just no next. So we skip this and change this to this. So now we have this. It's something 5 and something. So basically you see this is the same as this. Okay, so you just draw it and you can understand this. Okay, so it's very easy that once you draw a picture and you understand the detail. Okay, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.